It's Mila at WTI, and today I want to share with you my Casemate protective case that has up to 10 feet drop test protection. I love the design of this case, especially if you're going out to maybe a more formal event. This almost has a classy flapper dress look to it, and it's super brilliant. That's actually the name of the design of this case is Brilliant, and that describes it pretty well. So not only do you have these rhinestone details, but on the sides, it actually is in gold. So it's almost like a champagne glitz and glitter vibe to it. I love the buttons on this because they are covered, but they're very responsive when the phone's in the case. And of course, you have access to very important charging and your speakers. So let me go ahead and show this to you on the phone. I always find Casemate's cases very easy to install. So here you can see it on the phone. There's that open mute button for easy access. These are super duper responsive, as I mentioned. Also the power button, and it just adds a lot of protection. You can actually see here on the case, it kind of protrudes on all of the corners. So if you drop it downward like this, it's gonna keep it from falling directly on whatever surface. It has it on the top and the bottom on corners. It's just a gorgeous case, you guys. If you're thinking about getting it, don't think anymore. Just buy it. You're going to love it because I do. That's my point of view.